The RackChoice 4U server chassis is a versatile choice for data centers and small to medium-sized businesses thanks to its compatibility with multiple motherboard sizes, including EATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX. It features 8 hot-swappable drive bays that support both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch SATA and SAS drives, allowing users to easily upgrade and maintain their systems without downtime. Equipped with 3 120mm PWM ball-bearing fans and options for additional rear cooling, this chassis ensures efficient heat management to extend the lifespan of components. With 8 full-height expansion slots, users can integrate a variety of add-on cards, providing excellent flexibility for future upgrades and system enhancements. The chassis supports a standard ATX power supply or a CRPS redundant power supply, offering reliable power options for different server configurations. Installation is straightforward with the included MiniSAS to SATA cables and a user-friendly rail design, making deployment quick and hassle-free.